So in this video, I'll be showing you what to do if you see this error message that says unmatched brackets in the pattern when it appears in a message shape. What this means is in the message shape, you are trying to send a set of data that has the start of a bracket. So in this case, you can see that that there is a bracket right here. And normally in a message shape, that would be used to specify a variable, but you can also see that there's no ending bracket. So basically what that message is saying is that there has been the start of a variable in the message shape, but it's not defined, and so it errors out. It doesn't really know what to do with that. If your data needs this bracket, you can just simply put quotes around it like that. Okay. And what those single quotes will do is they'll tell Boomi to treat that bracket as data and not as what it's meant to be. And also, when it comes out of message shape, it will not have those single quotes anymore, so the data will still be usable. And that's it.